Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install ProTools on your Mac for free. Yes, this is the official and legal version of ProTools, and you don't need to pay anything to get started. This method works on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, M3, and newer models. ProTools is a professional digital audio workstation used for music production, audio recording, mixing, and sound editing. It's an industry-standard tool used in professional recording studios, film production, podcasts, and music projects all around the world. Alright, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Download Pro Tools and press Enter. Click on the first result. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description for easy access. Once you're on the website, scroll down to the version section and make sure it's set to individual. Then, under the Ultimate section, click Free Trial. Enter your email address and click Continue. Now you'll need to create an account. Enter your first name, last name, select your country, and create a strong password. When asked, do you have an iLock account, select No, then click Continue. Give it a moment while your account is being set up. Once that's done, you'll be redirected to the download page. Next, click Download Avid link to start downloading the installer. When the download finishes, locate the installer and double-click it. A new window will open. Click Continue, then click Install. Enter your Mac security password and click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, click Close, then choose Move to Bin. Avid link should open automatically. If it doesn't, open Finder, go to Applications and double-click Avid link. When Avid link opens, select Products from the left sidebar. You should see a list of available products, including ProTools and its plugins. Click the Install button next to ProTools. You may see a pop-up asking a few questions about your field, such as music production, audio engineering, or content creation. You can answer these questions or simply skip through them. They won't affect the installation. The download may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once the download finishes, the installer will launch automatically. Click Allow to run the software, then click Continue again, and select Install. Enter your Mac security password and click Install Software. Wait for the installation to finish, then close the installer window. Now, close Avid link. Open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click ProTools. When ProTools launches, you may see a pop-up asking to install a helper tool. Enter your Mac password and click Install Helper. ProTools will now load its plugins. During this process, make sure to click Allow whenever macOS asks for permissions. Once everything finishes loading, you'll see the ProTools editing screen. And that's it. You've successfully installed ProTools on your Mac for free, whether you're using an Intel Mac or an Apple Silicon Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll try to help you out.